here, let's take one scenario. Okay, this one now we know Gliderecord. Okay, so let me ask this scenario. Okay, tell me, just you tell me. I'll just navigate, but you tell me. Okay, scenario is uh, close incidents, child incidents of problem. When problem state equal to closed or resolved or something. Hmm. So for this, you need to tell me the code, ma, or a business tool. Just tell me how I need to design it. So I need to select here problem, yes. And then now it's up to your choice. Whatever you tell, I will just navigate. Everyone, please tell.
I think we are in a phase, and it's like we have to write in the code AI advanced.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me
it's
start from here. Now here, what we need to select, what we need to define. Is this correct? Do we need to change
yeah,
some?
update correct and
Update
update.
is
Update
correct.
correct, sir.
Okay.
Update
Then
correct,
here
sir.
I need to change something else. Maybe can I keep before here? Can I keep something else here?
Update means after only, right, sir?
Can you please repeat, ma?
Update means we use after, right, sir? When we use before business rule, that means insert, right, sir?
Who said, ma? What
Oh,
we discussed this for, na, for business tools. Didn't we discussed, ma?
yeah, we
We
discussed.
did.
When before business tool will run?
Uh, Before insert, sir.
Before insert means what? It won't run before
Mm,
update, huh?
not like that.
Then just just tell me the technical design technical definition of before business tool. Anyone?
Whenever the child, that means the second action.
Primary
Uh,
action, secondary action. Yes, use this
yeah,
one. Yeah.
the secondary action runs the before the database.
When you say
Uh,
secondary action,
it,
is that this action or is that this action only?
um, it, it's a resolve. Yes, completed or resolved. And
That means this is secondary action. That's what your answer is, right?
yes, yes, and yeah.
Mm,
Before save, sir. Before save.
okay. First thing is this is second. This is secondary action. Yes, this is primary action. That is true. Now your statement is not correct, ma. Okay. Before not secondary job. Okay, but before primary job. Okay. When see here, the primary job is like let's say what I need to select here for our requirement. See, ma. Okay.
Act,
Okay. Let.
act
What is primary job here? Problem state.
problem. Yeah, state equal to resolved.
Hmm.
Secondary action is close child incidents. And
Yes. Yes, ma. Hmm. Right. Now here what I need to select. You are on problem table, right? Good. And then you are selecting this one. So here what I can select. Okay. Let's say this is again will take 10 minutes now. Okay, but this is very important. You didn't go through that types of business tools, ma? No, right.
we can
Okay. Let's see this one. If I keep before, what will happen?
the second action will be run before the database got updated. And
Very good. Yes, true. Okay. And
yeah,
after,
after After also the second action
The secondary action
will run will run after the database is updated
after the database is updated. Yes. Okay. And then
with the main the whatever the action we are.
yes, ma'am. That is fine. Yeah, primary action. So next, what is this? The meaning of this one? Async.
Async is like the first action the, the whatever the we are expecting the primary action is completed it the completed but the it will uh,
Okay.
this, that means second job will run. I don't remember exactly, but it will wait until it will run in a separate window.
Hmm.
It will run in a separate window, and I think
Right. Everyone agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And then give me 1 second. I'm very poor in these drawings, but let me try something. Okay. So when we say you are in a transaction, okay, the after business rule, when you say after business rule, okay, forget about drawing. I'm very much poor. I don't know the visual design and all. Look, see, this is primary action. This is secondary action. Both runs in the same transaction. Okay, but if it is async business rule, this particular secondary job will run in a separate box. Means it runs in a separate transaction. Okay, the primary job runs in one thing, and secondary job will run in separate transaction. This is primary, that is second. You are getting it? If it is async, so the primary job will be completed, whether it is an insert or whether it is an updated, and then the secondary job like closing the incident will separately take and then run in the backend in a scheduler. If it is after, then they both runs in the same transaction. Is that clear?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Sir.
yeah. This is what Prashanti garu told, but maybe in other way to make it more clear. Right, ma?
Yes, Sandy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very clear now.
Others, is that clear?
Sir.
Yes. So now for this requirement, what type you select? Yes. What type you select? Just think, ma. You are close. You know. You can select any one of these three. All three will work. But to make more flexible, this is preferable because
We can say after or async and
after or async,
anything.
even before also works, but before it will freeze because even this primary job will not even save because it's not up. You just submit it in the form, but even this record will not update, right? It will
Yes.
update, it will save only the secondary job will run. So it is not a good one. So after async, yeah, both are good. Async is good because we know it, the transaction separately divides it and then it runs in the back end. So we don't care. Okay, performance wise, this is good. So async, I keep it. Okay, so this page is clear. Now what I need to select here, we will run every time on the problem table, every update of the problem table, or we have any condition. Is this part, is that clear for this requirement, or is there anything we need to select here? Please tell me. Okay, shall I proceed to write the script, or we have anything pending to do?
Nothing and nothing pending. We can write it.
Okay, others?
Things only.
Yes, that's fine, ma. Others?
We can write condition, right, sir?
Very good. Okay, if we don't keep the condition, it runs on every update. So if see, ma, this is dangerous. Okay, so sorry, ma, what I'm selecting. See this. Try to understand this point. Okay, if I don't select this particular line here, okay, and write the script here, resolving all childs. Okay, when if I save it, it runs on every update, which is a blunder. Why it is blunder? Means which is wrong, which is not correct. Why it is not correct? Tell me, ma, if I don't keep this line, what will happen? And
Because it saves in every update.
it runs on every update, irrespective of whatever it is. Okay, the all incidents under all problems will be closed in one day. Not in one day, maximum. Whoever
That's correct.
whoever opens that problem, the incidents will be closed. That's it. You are agreeing?
Yes, Andy.
Yes. Okay. So see, this is important for us. Okay, and first part is completed. Second part is, let me write the script here. Okay, what is the script, ma, now? Just someone just tell me what is the script. If anyone can give me the script.
Where
Very good.
um,
Yes.
the equal to a new glide record of problem.
Mhm.
Here we are, yeah, problem only.
What is our job, ma? Before I proceed, what is our job here? What we are writing here?
We are defining the table only here.
No, no, no. What is the purpose of this particular code we are writing here? No, why we are writing the code here, ma? For what purpose we are writing the code? What is the output of this code?
Uh, when we
When we
uh,
close the problem.
close the problem and then
So
all the child,
when we close the
yeah,
problem, this is defined. Then
then all the child
incidents should be closed.
closed.
So
Yes.
when we are going to close incidents, why we are going to problem table here?
That's what I got a doubt, Andy, because that's what confusing incident or
Yeah,
table
yeah,
here.
fine, ma, first time. So this is just a learning, okay? Whatever it is right or wrong, please tell me. I know, okay, we seen only one time, two times. So just to speak, I'm just correcting, ma. I'm not pointing, but just correcting. Yeah. So now next.
Uh, IN
So first logic is okay.
incident.
Before proceeding to this one, okay, we need to understand the logic. Okay. So we are going here. This is very important. Okay. How a problem ticket will be associated with incident ticket. That is the important point here. Okay. So that is for that we have one field here. Where is that? Where we see something called problem here. Just see, ma. This one. Okay. Okay. That means, see here, if you open this problem, either way you can see, or if you open this incident, the connection is very important, ma, to do the operations. Okay. On what basis you take the child incidents? Okay. So if you go to problem, you have child incidents. One incident is there. Let me add one more. Add. I'm just selecting two for us, three for us, or something. Okay. So save. It's already saved because it's a related list. And then go here, refresh here. Okay. So see, the connection between the problem and incident is this field. You agree? If you go here and in incident page, there is a field called problem and the problem is pointed here. That is the reason you can see the problem here. And when you have this particular link, you see the incidents also under problem as a child instance. Is that clear, ma? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and yeah.
Yes, right. Now, using this link, we need to build our logic. Okay, so tell me generally, don't see the script here. Okay, just think generally. If I ask you to close the incidents of this problem, generally what you do? You go to incident table, okay, glide, and then you apply a query. What query you apply? Problem equal to this problem. Okay, get those numbers. Second, and then once you get the numbers, close them. State equal to closed. Third action, and update them. Agree?
Yes, and yeah.
Yes, everyone, please
Yes.
confirm. Ma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. The same thing we are writing in script. See, ma, why I am showing this one? Because we need this one clearly before you write it. Before, if you don't have this one in mind, okay, you can't write the second line here. Right now, Prashanti Garu, you are trying something, but is that the right one you are trying? No. You are
Yes,
about to
and
say
yeah.
something, I stopped you because that may be the exact wrong one, I know. Because this one is not clear that time. Can I assume like this if I am clear? I'm right? Yes.
Yes, and yeah. The referencing problem. Yeah, I got it.
Right.
And yeah.
So not only this one, ma. I am just giving this one as an example, but anything you should see this way first. When you are building the code, this one you should be 100% clear. If you have this one, then only you get the second line here. Okay. Now, how I can apply a filter? I instead of gr, okay, I will add grr, which is suggested by ServiceNow as a best practice. Gr maybe not a good one to use always. Okay. I will tell you that one later. It will work, ma, but now tell me what I need to write here. Please, what is the one we need to do now? Manually tell me what I need to write, what I need to do here. I went to incident table, then I went to incident table, and then what I need to do? How I can get these incidents which are related to problem? Apply this filter, right? You are getting it? Yes, no?
Yes, and yeah. Active equal to true.
Why active equal to true? We are not applied active equal to true here. Okay, let's say as you said, if I say active equal to
Oh, okay, and sorry. Resolved. Actually, the problem is resolved.
Problem equals to true, sir.
I'm in incident table, and what filter I need to apply? See, ma, here you are here. You came here. What is the purpose, ma? Just tell me again. This is your purpose, right?
Yes, and yeah.
Hmm.
That's what like problem.
This one is
Um,
done, ma. Why? Okay, primary job is to check. You are not doing primary job from script. This is your initiation. You do manually. Users will do this one manually. When this happens, then do this. This is what the meaning of business rule. So then you do this, na? That's what you are defining here. So you are going to incident table, closing all the child instance. That's what you are defining here. No, nothing to do with problem here. Okay.
okay, we done already main action. Now we
We
are
don't
doing
do.
second.
It is like
Okay, yeah,
initiation. Yeah.
got it. Yeah.
Right. That's what the business tool definition. No? Okay. Now tell me what I need to do here. What is the expected thing here? So you are in incident table. I think you didn't understand the glide record completely. Okay.
Mm.
Uh, yes. Yes, ma.
Add query and
Add query. Very good. Then add query of what query?
uh,
Try. Don't
Incident.
this query, right?
Yeah, problem number, I think.
Problem equal to this number, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So see here on incident page, okay, problem underscore ID is the field. Okay. So hmm, so problem underscore ID, okay, equal to this problem. You are just showing an example, but in real, okay, the one which you are triggering it, let's say I am triggering from here. Okay, so I am triggering from here. Okay, so state equal to resolved. Where is the state? The state equal to resolved. I will keep it. Okay, then how system knows that pick this problem? Okay, so see here you are on this record, right? You are on this record. You are initiating job from here. So how the system gets this one?
We have to give the number.
If I give number, then every
Problem.
time it will trigger the same number, right? Is that the right one? Let's say I use number means number field or number digit.
Digit only, I'm
No, ma.
thinking. Yeah.
If I give number, then for every business tool, the same problem will be closed. Right? Understood? Is that true?
Yes,
See,
Andy. Yeah,
okay,
I'm thinking.
it's fine. See how. Okay, let me write here. How many understood this one? Hmm. How many understood this line, ma?
CID means like the field name of
She said,
the
hmm.
the field name of the incident number. Correct, Andy?
Incident number?
No, problem number. Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah,
Incident number. It's not incident number. It's problem
yeah,
number.
problem
See
number.
here.
Yeah.
Current means it gets the current record. What is the current record? This current record. Okay. The current record sysid. Copy sysid. What exactly you are doing is you are going, okay, going to incident table. Okay, as this is a reference field, problem underscore ID equal to you are passing this one because it will not identify with number. It will identify with what? Sysid, right? How you are getting this
Yes.
code? Current dot, because you are on this record. Current means this record. Current dot sysid. You are taking this one as input. Seema, you are closing the problems child. So what you have in hand? On what basis you take incidents? You have this one in hand. Keeping this one in hand, that's why we took this logic. Okay, you have problem number. Go to incident table. Get all the related incidents which are associated with this problem. Agree? Right, ma? Everyone?
Yes. Correct,
Why
Andy.
I written this one? You all agree? This is a reference field and this needs a sysid. And what sysid we need to pass? The problem sysid we need to pass. Now you get this filter applied. So what exactly it applies is I will exactly write here. So problem problem sysid. Just see problem sysid. Yeah, problem sysid is this one. So this is what you are applying exactly. Current dot sysid. Current means your problem record where you are initiating the job, Right now, the same thing you written here. Right now, ma? Understood? This is core. This line is core for our requirement. Yes, no, please confirm, ma.
Yes,
Then
and
next
yeah.
what line? What you are doing? You
Query.
are running the query, right?
Yes, and
And then what is the other syntax? Next, what you do? You are not practiced, ma. That's for sure.
print and
Why print, ma?
sorry, and condition. Yeah,
Print to
while
just to show in
things.
background script. Okay, is that clear? Yes, ma, is that clear? Not clear?
Um,
Yes, yes, ma, please tell me. Okay, so as we discussed in first class, this is the structure, ma. Okay, this is the structure for Gliderecord. Everywhere you use it except for initialize. Okay, so see here what you are doing is you are going to a table. It could be any table. Apply the condition to get your records. This is core and run the query and then do your operation. You have multiple records here. Okay, so one by one you have to do by passing to next record, next record. So it will check while gr next is that having a new next record. Yes, do this and then complete it. Then come here. While do you have a next record here? Suppose we got four records matched. Okay, so first time it will check completed. Then go to the next time it will check yes. Do you have any record? Yes. Second time again it will ask do you have any records? Third time do you have any records? Fourth time it will run four times and fifth time do you have any record? No. Ends it. Okay, so this is the script that we need to write for this requirement. Okay, so now okay my point is here next. Okay, this next this point this one is clear, ma? This script is clear. First of all, please confirm.
yeah, yes, and
Yeah,
yeah.
others, please confirm. We are getting late. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay. Now, okay, if the script is clear, now here we have next here. Okay. So instead of next, we also can use okay while grr dot underscore next. This is also works. Okay. When we use underscore next in a special condition, even underscore query also. Okay. Consider like see here. If I say grr dot next, what does it mean, ma? Why if see why state? Why not next? What is the meaning of next and state here? State is a field, right? Next is a function.
Yeah.
Hmm. Per suppose it is maximum no, but per suppose if you have a field called next in incident table, you have a field called next. The name of the field is next. Okay, in incident table you have a field called next or query. That time if you use gr dot next, what will happen, ma? How the system will know whether it is a function or whether it is a field? You got it, ma?
Yes, and
So
yeah.
that time you use, let's say you have a field in the table called query or next. That time to get the function you use underscore next. Underscore next is also same, but a special case underscore query. Right? You got it? Yes? No?
Yes, Sandy.
Others? Okay, see here ma, underscore next underscore query, both are same almost, moves to the next record. Okay, in the glide record, previously same as next. Okay, intended to be used in the case where the glide record has a column name next. Is that clear?
Sir.
Yes. Okay, even the same thing for query also ma, gr query. Okay, underscore query. Uh, there is the same, you can find it same. Okay, this is first important thing, and then next is while gr, okay, grr has next is there. What is the difference between next and has next? Okay, so see here. Okay, what next is telling you? Moves to the next record, right? So the loop is running every time because it is moving to the next record, right? If it don't move to the next record, it will not run, right? Is that clear, ma?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
And if you say has next, okay, determines if there are any more records in the glide record. So it is a question, yes or no. This is not an operation, but it's a question. Has next is like an operation. It will take you to the next record if it is there. This one is like asking a question. The output of this one is either true or false. If it is true, take it. If it is false, stop it. You are getting it? This is a question. Okay. If it takes true or false, okay, and it is an operation to move next record. Clear, ma? Yes, no.
Yes, Sandy. Yes, Sandy. Yeah.
So now this is also one more important interview question. Okay. What is the difference between next, has next, underscore next when it comes to glide record part? Okay, next underscore next, both are same. When you have a field called next in the incident table, like don't mention incident table always in that glide record table, then you need to use underscore next to get the function activated. Okay, has next, next is an operation, it takes to the next record in the glide record. Has next, okay, will return either true or false based on the condition you keep it. That's it. Right, ma, is that clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now you are all fine with this particular business rule, what we exactly did. Is that fine? See how we started. We started with the glide record. We know all also business rules. Now you implemented a scenario. But unfortunately, this scenario is out of the box scenario. We already have it. Okay, we no need to write it. So, but for example, for logic purpose, I covered it because this is very important logic. Okay, this logic will help us to understand how we need to take it when we have a condition. Right, Nama?
Yes, Sandy.
Okay. Yeah, I'm ending here. So.